Hi guys, what's up, fellow rookies? So, ready to do some programming? Okay, then let's begin with setting up Eclipse IDE for Java programming. In this video, you will be learning, or rather, do installing latest JDK. We will do it in steps. We will first install latest Oracle JDK in Ubuntu, and after that, we will install latest Eclipse IDE. So first, let's begin with installing Oracle JDK. To do it, I have few steps. First, I will open my terminal, and I have a set of commands already written, so that I don't have to write it again, type it again. So here is the first command. This command, it will just refresh your repository that is there. And next we will do, it may take few seconds or so, depends totally upon your internet speed. And the next command is that we will be adding PPA. We are using PPA from Linux Uprising. I'm following this method of installation, Java installation through PPA. There are other method as well, you may go for it, but I prefer this because since it allows me to install the latest version of JDK that is over there. So it may take few seconds or so before it's completed, and it's completed. The next command is finally the command to install the JDK, Oracle JDK, and also there is a shortcut to so that you can paste on terminal. It is Control Shift V, not the usual Control V. It won't help you paste in your terminal. Okay, here the thing is that I have already JDK. I have already installed JDK in my system. Yes, I am just showing you the steps how you can do it, and don't panic if what is being displayed on my system is different than what is being displayed on yours. Just follow the steps and you will be good. Okay, now finally we will, now this is optional, you can go for it. If you had previously installed different JDK and are planning to set the newest as default, you can go for it. Else we can, now since JDK is installed, I will use this command to check whether it is installed properly or not. So if this executes, that means, so we have Java 14.0.1, and that is the latest JDK. It has been installed successfully. So that was step 1 to setting up your Eclipse IDE programming for Java programming. Okay, so the next step is installing latest Eclipse IDE. Okay, so again, now okay, here, so we will go to the official website. You can directly Google it. Now here is a set of links, go for this one. Okay, now for me I am being redirected to an older page. So anyways, if you are to redirected here, you can go to the newer page from here, and then over here download the Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers. See, there is no difference between IDE for Java developers and enterprise Java developers. It is that enterprise Java developers have some additional functionality with it. So if you're downloading it, why not download the better version? So I went for this. If you have any constraints, you can go for the only for the Java developers as well. So we will download this. Once you click on this, you will be redirected to a download page and download it from there. The download is near about 350 MB. So I have already downloaded it. So you click this button and save your file. Make sure to download it in your this downloads. Make sure the download goes in your download. I won't download this again, I'm just pausing it because I have already downloaded it. And yes, finally when it is downloaded, I will exit it. Finally when it is, we will continue with installing Eclipse. Okay, so here is the next set of command for Eclipse from here. And don't worry guys, I will be sharing this file with you you may find this command in the description below, or I may give a link to this file in the description. So yes, first I will change the directory where I want to extract the downloaded zip tar file. Okay, so again Ctrl Shift V to paste it. I'm changing the directory, and now this command will extract your the tar file you have downloaded to the location you choose. Okay, so this is the command, and I won't execute it since I have already executed it and installed Eclipse. But as I already said, you just have to follow the steps, and you will be good. So this command is to add an Eclipse icon over here, as it is in my case. So this command will help you do that. Just go for sudo get gedit eclipse.desktop, hit enter, and initially this .desktop will be blank for you. It will be like this. So what you have to do is copy this few lines over here and paste it, and then save it, and then finally execute this line, and then you are good to go. Now your icon will be displayed as it is in mine. So this is the start menu, guys, and here we can see the Eclipse icon has come up. I've clicked it already. It will start soon. Yep. So yes, launch it with default workspace. If you want to change it, you can change it later. It's your wish completely. So I will go with default workspace, and Eclipse will be pretty much up soon. So as it starts, I would like to say that in this recall what we did in this video. In this video, first we installed JDK, and after that we downloaded Eclipse from official website and installed it. So I will be sharing this is the welcome menu, welcome page of Eclipse Java EE edition. Okay, so that was the video, guys, setting up Eclipse in Ubuntu. And before I go, I would love if you show your support for this video, if you really found it informative, as your support goes a long way to motivate me and come up with such more content. And you may also see, you may check out my channel. You may come across a full course of Java and Selenium in coming days. So stay tuned, guys. See you in the next video.